Welcome to Unit 9, First Grade, A New Nation, American Independence. In Unit 9, students will learn about the birth of the United States of America as they are introduced to important historical figures and events in the story of how the 13 colonies became an independent nation. From the establishment of the 13 colonies through the conflicts that ensued between the colonies and Great Britain, students will learn how the British imposing taxes upon the colonies without representation led to the signing of the Declaration of Independence and the founding of a new nation. In addition to hearing about important historical figures including Betsy Ross, George Washington, and Benjamin Franklin, students will also focus on the roles of women, Native Americans, and African Americans during the colonial era. In this unit, students will explore the genre of informational writing. They will learn to identify important facts and information before, during, and after informational read-alouds. They will practice collecting and synthesizing information by note-taking as a group with graphic organizers and by retelling the read-alouds from the first 8 lessons in an ongoing story chart. Students will also work as a class, in small groups, and independently write captions for an ongoing picture gallery, analyzing and describing images depicting important events at this time. Students will then plan and write their own informational paragraphs about the founding of the United States. Remember to cover the big ideas of Unit 9, which our students will learn about the 13 colonies and how our nation was formed. They will also learn about contributions from women, Native Americans, and African Americans. Also, remember to discuss these essential questions: how do I sequence events? When do I use present or past verbs? What makes a good informational paragraph? It is important to recognize that Grade 1 students are not expected to master or recall all of the details and facts. Some specifics are, of course, necessary so that students can understand and retell the story of our nation's birth. The details that Grade 1 students should be able to recall are explicitly identified in the core content objectives contained in this introduction. Understanding the chronology of events and the importance of certain people, and how they fit together during this formative period of American history, will lay the foundation for the next Grade 1 unit, Frontier Explorers, as well as for other historical topics in later grades. As a class, you can create a timeline of events as you discuss new information. Now is the time to dig deep into Unit 9, A New Nation, American Independence.